have a date.
Date?
Yeah.
When?
Tonight.
Tonight?
Huh.
Hey, madam, hold on. Hold on. I hope say. And yet this ATMs now, hold you did that on the place.
Abena, it's clear.
Seriously? Oh,
Huh. Now see me because I'm choosy baby and me pay.
That's beautiful.
Yeah.
Hey, because on inside, me Abena Ghana there, the ATMs no or the doors, so across there, there's no place I'm in. So I think say we should do Kempinski.
Kempinski?
Yeah, Kempinski. So I think they're a good place.
Yeah.
Yeah, because I went there last week and I loved their food. But last 3 days, make home and then I ordered for buffet. Sweetheart, just the buffet in Bali, my enjoy. The food wasn't nice. And when I'm filming them, say manager, what is this? I didn't have or that buffet. Now, manager, you have to compensate me. And the manager was like, oh, Abena, please, we beg you. The whole Abena Ghana, my power restaurant, me bed there. You giving me work food? Oh no.
Abena. Hey. You ordered for a buffet and they brought it.
Yeah, it's buffet and then they brought it.
Like
Sophia. Abena Sophia. You ordered for buffet.
Yeah, it's buffet and then they brought it.
Like seriously. Hey. Do you know the meaning of buffet?
Hello, Juan.
And
then which one? Hey, beside me, Abena Ghana is in the buffet.
I'm sure. Mr. Sure. You're going your party. It's okay. If you're not a ah, save yourself. Say you're in a economy. And you're ready to fail. And you have the guts to say, who have to share money just on change your journey. Hey,
I was talking about going tilapia. Forgive me.
Oh, Jesus. Baby, I want to do me dear. Abba.
Hey! I beg.
Abena Ghana. Love way dear. That's a pity.